Yeah, I just want to do this quick little fragment because I'm tired. I just did some tennis, but I decided to jump in a trade on my funded account. I was already in it with my challenge account, but it went really fast. So yeah, we're up already $400, and yeah, I'm debating on what to do right now. TP is a lot farther away, but yeah, I think I should just hold it, but I just wanted this for proof, basically, that I'm like in it right now, just in case I make a video about it, which I probably will, if the trade ends up going well. But I just wanted to have like a live fragment in there for transparency reasons, in case people don't believe it and stuff. This account actually I just got a payout on, and yeah, it just got basically released back to me so I could trade it again. As you can see, the balance is 10k and 27 cents. That's what happens when they give like a payout. It leaves like a little rest of it. In the top left, you see funded as well. So yeah, we're in the trade right now. Take profit is 300 on the first one and 478 on the second one, a total of 778, which would amount to, I guess, about 500 euros with all the fees and €2. Um, so yeah, let's see what will end up happening. Um, I'm not sure if I should just keep recording. I really want to take a shower. I feel dirty and stuff, but yeah, this is not really a trade that I can just walk away from, at the moment. Let's see if I can actually pull up the chart here. I think you should be able to see the chart now. Yeah. So basically I've been stopped out twice, like on my funded, on another funded account, and one time on a challenge account. But this just looks super clean to me. Just a test of the daily, 50 EMA, and it had a massive rejection from it. As you can see, like it was literally that was like pretty much the max of the day. So I anticipated this day to be a lot more bearish. I expected, yeah, a bearish push, which it's sort of happening right now. We're not yet there, but it's having that reaction, and yeah, we're in the trade right now. So let's see what ends up happening. It did break through now. I'm hoping this 15-minute will actually like create a new sort of push lower as well. It's struggling, but it's actually like super fast trade. It's like um 5, 10, 20, like 15 to 20 minutes I'm in the trade right now. I opened it at 34 and it's now 3, so yeah, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, $400, which is like pretty insane. The entry was super sniper, like it was really a 5-minute rejection, as you can see here, under the EMA as well. So there were just super high chances of it actually going down. But yeah, I'm not sure if I want to sort of close it or not. There's definitely more profits to be made, but yeah, like I don't know, like a payout of this size is also nice. So yeah, debating on what to do. Mm, I don't often check the 1 minute chart. I don't find it very useful, but I don't like this one. This candlestick is an issue. Like engulfing, then a rejection from the engulfing, but then this one, like another rejection, creating basically like a double bottom. Like I don't like that. But like a lower high is logical, right? Around this area, it would be logical. But whenever you're in profit like this, it's hard to just like sort of wait for that or accept it. Basically, you just want your trade to continue to fall, right? But that's not logical. Like no trade just pretty much falls. Like there are always some sort of, you know, every market moves in waves. So um, you kind of gotta handle that, but it's hard also for me still. Whenever I'm in profit like this amount, I still get nervous and like I'm building up the tolerance. Um, this like it used to be like 100 and a little more maybe when I was sort of thinking about closing, and now it's up like then it was 200. And now it's starting to reach like 300 to 400 range, and it will only go up like as soon as you get more payouts and stuff, your tolerance will increase, and it will become easier to hold trades and not stress too much about it. Yeah, I don't really like this 5-minute candlestick. Left a little wick to be filled, which it normally does within like the first few seconds of the candle. And then it will try to push under. And we'll see if it fails or not. Like this is it trying to fill the gap, or the wick, sorry. I think I should just take a shower and just relax and just come back to whatever happens. That would be probably the best play. It's just super logical for it to make like a lower high, right? You know that's like obvious for it to do, but still you don't like it whenever you are in the trade. At least I don't. Like the 15-minute candlestick should close lower, right? So the first 5-minute candlestick could be like what was like a little retracement, then the second one is sort of hopefully a rejection, and then the third one will push it lower. That's basically what I'm hoping for. All right. It's actually already this one is trying to push lower. But then if this fails, then it will be a little bit harder on the next one. Whenever it tries, I prefer it to actually succeed on like breaking it, right? So it's trying right now. Hopefully it breaks. Because if it fails now, then we have like a triple bottom on the 1 minute. And then it's really tempting to close. Like I really need it to push under. And then we have nice structure where we could potentially lower our stop losses towards. I think it closed under, but it's not super bearish, but I preferred it to be a little bit more, but maybe this candle. It did close under, I think. Yeah. This candle's pretty important in my opinion. This one will be kind of decider. Let's see what happens. It's failing to break above and also struggling, but to me it looks like it wants to go down, but this is going to be a way too long video, I think. Maybe I should just wrap it up here and sort of, I don't know, tell like the end result. Nice, it's going down in the like in the description or something. I don't know, because I think videos are a lot like a lot longer than 10 minutes. I don't think people really like it. Not sure though. I could try it. I guess. Okay, it's pushing lower. Okay, the 5 minutes almost closing. We want it to close under. It is. All right, it's nice. Please just continue straight away, like a new low. Yeah. That was too small. Yeah, I don't. The first minute of the 5-minute candlestick is always a little rough. Hopefully just creating a wick, a little wick, and then continues down. I might want to lower my stop loss to here on like at least one of the trades, or maybe both. I don't know. Like what would it be? 572. That's not a lot. Basically with both of them, I think it will be around like $300. So I don't really think it's worth securing that. I'm talking like a spoiled brat, but all right, that's been the wick. Hopefully this one will just break it. Then I could potentially lower it to here. If it closes under, then I potentially can put my stop losses above this little area, 530 something. That would be like 400 almost. Kind of want to let one run though. That's also something I could try, just let one run a little more. All right, 527 or 30, 37. I don't think the trade should move any higher than that. It's also closing in on the TP on the first one. All right, I think I'll do it like this. We have profit secured now of almost $400. So let's see, hopefully we can just hit our TPs. This, like, I still get sort of anxious around this sort of point, right? Because also it's been just such a drop, so it's a little bit, I don't know, it's so volatile. Like it could just move straight up and then I'm like 200 in profit, right? Or whatever, and then potentially it will just continue up and then, I don't know. It's just on funded accounts, I find it a little bit harder. I'm also in this one with a challenge account and my TP is around, yeah, around here, this one. Um, and that's just fine, right? I'll just hold that. That's completely fine. But I don't know, on funded accounts, whenever you sort of can collect a payout, it's a little bit different for me. All right, let's see. Now we're already this long in the video. we might as well just see if we can sort of reach first TP together or stop loss. Either one, it's fine. If you're still here, and I'll upload this one, thank you so much for watching. I hope this is useful to people, like just basically managing a trade. I can also explain the trade a little bit better why I entered. I think I already did fairly well, but it just I entered around here or something on the funded account first. Now on the challenge account, I entered a lot higher here or something, and yeah, I just noticed it actually like closing under on the 4 hour, so engulfing, and then a retracement, and that's when I entered with this account with the funded, like the another funded. Whenever I saw sort of this massive rejection under the 50 EMA, yeah, it just looked like it wanted to go down. Like we also had an engulfing on the half hour, also under the 50 EMA. Like I just made a video about the 50 EMA. I really like it. Give it a try if you want. Um, so yeah, but just overall, as you can see, like everything is under the EMA pretty much. And the daily just had a really nice rejection from the EMA. That's basically why I was interested in this trade. Just this looks like beautiful structure where it sort of had a massive rejection, and then it creates a new lower high and a rejection from the 50 EMA. And then yeah, this candle just screamed to me that it would go down, or at least attempt to go down, right? Like it doesn't have to close below, but this candle definitely gave me sort of a signal that it would at least try it today, right? So I think we might get stopped out here. Like this was a rejection candlestick, the doji, my favorite candlestick. Um, so let's see what ends up happening. I think we'll get stopped out, but that's fine. It will most likely, there's a big chance that if I would have just held this trade, I would be collecting more money. But at this stage with my trading, I prefer to just collect these sort of payouts, just stack them up. I'm sort of saving money on like my trading bank account, and I just want to scale up, build up tolerance, and as soon as I have sort of a bigger buffer, I can hold trades longer because I don't really need the trade, like need the profit, right? Because right now, tomorrow, I'll do my sort of my side hustle where I help a friend of mine with his business and stuff, and yeah, I don't know, like I wanna sort of be income dependent of trading, and I'm slowly getting there. It's definitely I'm definitely reaching it. Like last month, I think I made about 1500 or something with trading in payouts, which is massive for me. So um, and let's see, close, very close, very close. Yeah. Just want to be transparent, right? So just want to show it. That's why I'm sort of rambling on, but yeah. Looking like I'll get stopped out, but you never know with trading. It could last a little bit longer. Um, but I think either way, I'm just gonna stop it here because I'm reaching the 20-minute mark, and that is a little bit too long, I think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If anything, like if I don't put anything special in sort of the description regarding the payout, I think I have closed it at around like the stop loss, right? So 380 or something like that, right? And otherwise, I'll mention it in the description if it actually went down, like it's looking like it potentially goes down now. But yeah, I don't want to stall this video too long. Thanks so much for watching. All the support is very much appreciated. Makes me motivated to keep making these videos. Please let me know if you like this sort of style when I'm in the trade managing it. And yeah, I hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.